Welcome to Ajay Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we turn our attention to Malaysian palm oil futures, which experienced a slight decline as traders took profits after the sharp gains of the previous session. As of February 20th, the benchmark may contract on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange fell by 15 ringgit, settling at 4,657 ringgit, equivalent to approximately $1,053.96 per metric ton. This comes after a 3.73% surge in the previous session, driven by strong market momentum. In the broader vegetable oil complex, we saw mixed movements. The most active soy oil contract on the Dalian exchange edged up by 0.48%, while palm oil gained 2.08%. On the Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT, soy oil futures rose by 0.3%, rebounding slightly from the more than 2% decline in the previous session. At the same time, market participants are closely watching developments that could impact supply and demand dynamics. One key factor is the possibility of palm oil export restrictions by Indonesia ahead of Ramadan, which could tighten global supplies. However, the sentiment is being weighed down by speculation that India may raise its vegetable oil import duty from 10% to 15%. If this happens, it could reduce demand from one of the world's largest importers of vegetable oils, putting additional pressure on prices. Traders are also awaiting Malaysia's palm oil export estimates for the period from February 1st to 20th, which will be released later today. While tightening stock levels in Malaysia and potential export restrictions in Indonesia could limit the downside risks, the possibility of an import duty hike in India adds uncertainty to the outlook for global vegetable oil markets. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the commodities market. Make sure to subscribe to Ajay Guru for more insights into global trends and developments.